Costa Rica! After 4 years, we're finally back in one of our favorite countries.
Enjoy our adventures exploring the tropical flora and fauna, endless coastlines and wild beaches, vibrant cities, and of course, the most welcoming people. Pura Vida!
My name is Lotte.
And I'm Domek.
We are two crazy birds tripping around our beautiful planet.
We are
touring birds.
Our last destination brought us to a higher altitude, the central located Talamanca Mountains with its unique cloud forest, and it was the best place to relax and cool down from the humid sea level.
And now, sitting on our wonderful porch with this amazing view to the mountains, enjoying the sun and our last 2 days here in Costa Rica. We don't want to leave actually, but it was an amazing experience again, and we would for sure love to come back again.
I was pretty scared. I thought I stepped on it, but luckily it's dead. Unfortunately it's dead, but it's really, really scary.
So, we are ending our trip, a trip to the mountains. Just like last time in Costa Rica, and it's amazing. It's so good to adjust to the German weather because it's a bit cooler here. Not as cold as in Germany. During the day it's getting like 16 degrees Celsius, but in the night it's quite chilly and it's just amazing. The air is so fresh, the birds are amazing.